This is a Philips Major with IC radio. So in some of the online versions, it is also mentioned as Philips 684. So currently, when it came to me, my friend Sudarshan gave it to me for restoration. So the problem here was it was not turning on. So when we checked the uh, system first, so we got to know that there was a problem with switch. So after repairing the switch, so looks because of the wear and tear inside and rusting, so switch was not in a good condition. So here you can see I have just connected it here but not using the switch right now. So it was an AC switch connected to the AC line. So it also had a like very old wire. We replaced the wire here. So this is a new wire right now. So this is AC supply coming to this, and there is an incandescent LED here, and also it is going to this board. Here we have a bridge rectifier, and AC is being converted into DC. So when I got it for the first time, it had a problem, like it was not turning on. There was only hissing noise. So then I got a multimeter, and since I can see that all volume, bass and treble knobs are there on the front side, so looks like this is an audio board, and I identified using a multimeter with a this kind of a signal like 50 hertz square wave. I increased it to various values and fed it with signal like this, so which in turn changes the output voltage to like noise, so that I can identify whether it is working properly or not. So for example, this is a 300 hertz signal. So if I change it to some other signal, like you can see that there is a complete variation, so which means that audio section is working completely. So there was a problem with the radio receiver itself. So then I, like here if you see there are multiple transistors here. So I was able to identify one of the transistor was faulty. So long back I had got a electronic DIY schematics book which had multiple radio projects and all. For that I had bought a transistor, so which was apparently the same one. So I had this spare transistor. So this is BF195C. So luckily I had that in my electronics collection. So we identify one by one, and we were able to conclude that there is a problem with the transistor, and I replaced the transistor. So still I was it was not working. Then we went through the board again. So to looks like this had a repair long back. So we went through the board, and we identified all the components which were heating. So I got to know that this BZ148, this diode was looks like this is a reverse voltage protection Xena diode. So that was also heating. I had recent one IN4148 Xena diode, so I just replaced it with the latest diode. So after that it started working. So this is as good as new right now. So now I have switched to PU band. PU band means like the band which is used for sending the data from the back end, sending the audio signal from the backside, like an amplifier. It works just like an amplifier. So right now I'm switching back to the MW mode.
सेफर्ड टीम में आए हैं और क्या आपको लगता है मार्टिन गप्टिल
So here you can see that now the radio is working fine. So there will be a small blog on the description. You can read through the blog what was happening and how did we resolve it. So we also had to try a lot with these kind of strings. So this used to get disengaged, and we need to put a lot of effort to put it back. So it took a lot of time for us to complete the whole thing. So yeah, so now the system is back. So now you can easily listen to this old radio. So looks like this is more than 40-45 years old. So manufactured in year 1974-75 like that. So yeah.
ನಿಲಯದ ಈ ದಿನದ ಎರಡನೆಯ ಪ್ರಸಾರವನ್ನು ಈಗ ಆರಂಭಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈಗ ಸಮಯ 5:30
Finally, now the radio has been restored, so this is how it looks. So we did a varnish paint, and now it is completely ready. So this is how it really looks. It's gorgeous.
कर रहे हैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया टॉस जीतने के बाद पहले बॉलिंग कर रही है और खूबसूरत
So there is an option for external speaker also. There is a 230 volt input. So here is a quick label, and there is a gramophone input and one more input for the some other thing. So this is a earth, and this is the antenna connection. So that's all. Thanks for watching.
बैक ऑफ द लेंथ ऐसा नहीं है कि